Welcome to Making Life Changes. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. If this is your first time, if you've been joining with us for quite a while, I really appreciate the fact that you continue to keep supporting us, coming and viewing. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at eggplant and knowing when an eggplant is actually ready to be harvested. But before we do, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you hadn't already. Like and share this on social media. Alright, so one of the things about eggplant that you want to look at to know whether or not an eggplant is actually ready is whether or not it's shiny, and when you push on it, like take this eggplant right here. If we push on it and it kind of bounces back, it's not hard yet, this eggplant's ready. Now this is a black beauty, and typically these eggplants get a whole lot larger than this, but it is summer here in Houston, Texas, zone 9A, so right now the eggplants are not going to be as big as they are, say, if it was the spring. Or even the fall, the early fall, they would get a lot bigger. But we don't want them to get overripe, because if they get overripe, then they're going to get really hard and they're only going to be good enough for seeds. Also, look at this. If you look right up here, I just noticed these are squash bugs that will get on our plants. We're going to have to get these because they will decimate the plant here. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of those, and we'll come back and show you how to harvest. That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video, but before I do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so you don't miss any of my updates for future videos. Hello. Okay, so we're going to take a look at these eggplants and see which one's ready to harvest. You definitely want to get them before they start having these green lines on them and getting this little bright color, because they'll get too hard and they won't be edible. They'll be very, very bitter. But this one here, if you see, it's still got a lot of shiny coat, and when I push my thumb in, it bounces back. That means it's ready. It's not too hard. This one, we're going to take this one back here, is really nice.
And big.
And big. Really nice and big. And also this one right back over here that I see. Now there's a couple more that are shiny enough. And look at this one. I think that one too. And then we're going to make some eggplant parmesan, which is going to be delicious. Now be careful. You can get yourself stuck with this eggplant. Some of these thorns can be very, very sharp. But get you some good clippers out here. Clip right up on the top of the stem. We'll take that one. We'll take this one. And there's another one right, where'd it go? It's right here. Right here. Clip it right up top of the stem. And really, really nice. Look at that eggplant.
Big one also there. Close to the Brussels sprout.
Yes, got one way back here.
Not that one.
Not that one. Where'd it go?
Yeah, that one there.
This one.
That one is bigger.
And then there's one more right back over here I think we should take, because it's starting to get a little bit of green. What do you think?
Yeah, it's ready.
Now see, you don't want it to get these little lines on it. It starts getting old, but this one's still good. If you can see yourself, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, see the reflection there? If you can see yourself and it's shiny and you push your finger indentation and it comes right back, it's good. Because if you wait, see, it gets hard and it gets dull, and this is old, but this one's still okay to eat. You don't want to wait till the whole thing gets that greenish line on it, because it'll get dull and it'll get hard. Eggplants are really easy to grow, particularly they love it hot. They don't like winter, so if you're going to keep an eggplant alive and you live in a cold climate, make sure that you overwinter it. You either got to cover it every time it gets below 40 degrees, or you need to put it in a pot and bring it inside. This one's been alive going on its second year. Started it in a seedling, transplanted out in the garden, and it's gotten absolutely huge. And then also, as you get close to winter, you can trim it back. You can cut back an eggplant really far to overwinter it. We'll get into showing you that as the temperature gets colder. It's still summer right now, so it's nice and hot. And they're heavy fertilizer eaters. They love nitrogen. They love rich soil. So every 3 months, I put about 2 inches of fresh compost, and that really, really helps the plant grow. All right, once again, thank you for tuning in. I am making life changes, and you can too.